Hasan buys two kinds of cloth material for school uniforms. Shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. For every 3 meters of shirt material, he buys 2 meters of trouser material. He sells the shirt material at 12% profit and trouser material at 10% profit. His total sale is rupees 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? क्योंकि यहाँ दो चीजों की बात हो रही है, एक है शर्ट मटेरियल की बात हो रही है और दूसरा है ट्राउजर मटेरियल की बात. सो सबसे पहले हम दो कॉलम्स बनाएंगे. फर्स्ट कॉलम शर्ट मटेरियल के लिए बनाएंगे, दूसरा कॉलम हम बनाएंगे ट्राउजर मटेरियल के लिए. ओके, अब फर्स्ट कंडीशन क्या दे रखी है? शर्ट मटेरियल का रेट. शर्ट मटेरियल का रेट है ₹50 per meter. So we'll write down here rate equal to ₹50 per meter. और ट्राउजर मटेरियल का रेट है ₹90 per meter. ₹90 per meter. ठीक है. सेकेंड कंडीशन दे रखी है for every 3 meters of shirt material he buys 2 meters of trouser material. Okay, means इसका रेशो क्या है? रेशो ऑफ शर्ट टू ट्राउजर is 3:2. Okay, this means that if he buys 3x meters of shirt material, then the length of trouser material will be 2x meters, right? अब थर्ड कंडीशन हमको दे रखी है प्रॉफिट परसेंट for shirt material is 12% and profit percent for trouser material is 10%. It is given to us that his total sale is rupees 36,600, means total SP is equal to rupees 36,600 and this is equal to selling price of shirt plus selling price of trousers. So let us first find out selling price of shirt. So we know that selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Means सेलिंग प्राइस क्या होता है? कोई भी चीज को जितने में बेचते हैं उसे हम सेलिंग प्राइस बोल रहे हैं और जितने में खरीद रहे हैं उसे हम कॉस्ट प्राइस बोलते हैं. और सेलिंग प्राइस क्या होता है? जितने में हम खरीदते हैं उसमें हम प्रॉफिट ऐड करके फिर उसे सेल कर रहे हैं. कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ शर्ट विल बी रेट ऑफ 1 मीटर शर्ट मटेरियल इज ₹50 per meter. So rate of 3x meters of shirt material will be cost price of the shirt material. So cost price of shirt material is equal to 50 into 3x. Okay, this is equal to rupees 150x. Okay, similarly cost price of trouser material 2x into 90. ठीक है, this is equal to rupees 180x. Fine. Now profit is always calculated on CP. Okay, so profit percent for shirt material is 12%. So profit is equal to 12% of CP. CP is 150x. So 12% of 150x. This is equal to 12% is 12 upon 100 multiplied by 150x. 0 will cancel. 2 5s are 2 6s are 5 1s are 5 3s are. This is equal to rupees 18x. Okay. Therefore now CP is 150x. Profit is 18x. So selling price of shirt will be rupees 150x plus rupees 18x. This is equal to rupees 168x. Fine. Now we'll calculate for trousers. Profit is equal to 10% of CP, which is 180x. Okay. This is equal to 10 upon 100 into 180x. 0 will cancel. So profit is equal to rupees 18x. Selling price of trouser material is equal to cost price plus profit. That is 180x plus 18x. This is equal to 198x. Fine. Now we substitute selling price of shirt and selling price of trouser in this equation. Fine. So linear equation will be selling price of shirt is 168x plus selling price of trouser material is 198x. This is equal to total selling price, that is equal to rupees 36,600. Fine. Now 168x plus 198x is equal to 366x equal to rupees 36,600. Therefore, x is equal to 36,600 divided by 366. So we'll get x equal to 100. Question asked here is how much trouser material did he buy? Now length of trouser material we have to find out, and here we have taken length of trouser material as 2x meters. Therefore, length of trouser material he bought is equal to 2x equal to 2 into 100 equal to 200 meters.